Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing kind of like a get ready with me. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm preparing to go to Watershed this weekend, and if you don't know what Watershed is, it's my first time going. It's actually a country music festival and it's in the Gorge in Washington, and it's like a 5-day long thing. It's like 4 hours away, so me and my sister were both going. And we're kind of like rushing around trying to get everything together, and yeah, so I'm just like, I need to get ready and go run some errands today. So I'm just going to be showing you the makeup look that I'm going to be doing today. It's going to be really light on the face, and I kind of want to do something a little bit sparkly with the eyes, so I guess you could call this like a simple and fast summery makeup look. Oregon has been like a pit of fire the last couple weeks. It has been so hot, almost in the hundreds. And of course, I say this in every single video because the last 2 weeks have been so hot, but I don't have air conditioning in my apartment. I have like little air conditioning systems, separate ones that I've bought from the store. And when it's so hot outside, they can't really keep up with the heat. So it's like, it gets super hot in my film room right here, and I'm just like, I might get a little bit sweaty, and just to let you guys know. But yeah, I'm gonna stop mentioning that because I feel like I mention that in every single video, and you guys are probably super tired of hearing me say that. But anyways, I'm gonna kind of go for dewy skin because I'm gonna be sweating in the sunlight anyways, so why even try to be matte? So I'm first going in with the Becca Backlight Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. It's like a really good illuminating primer, but it's not sparkly in the sunlight. Like, it's just very dewy, which is kind of hard to find when you're using illuminating primers, because most of them sparkle and it's like kind of annoying. Then for concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm using Light Neutral, which is a darker shade than I normally use, but I put on Self Tanner a couple days ago, so I'm a little bit tanner than I normally am, which is like sad because I'm still really pale, but alright, now that everything is nice and covered up, I'm going to be taking some powder. I'm using the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, and I'm also using this dual-ended brush from Hourglass. I have been using this brush like crazy. It is so nice, and it's like perfect because you can use this for powder, bronzer, and blush, and you can use this for highlighter. And so I literally don't need another brush. Like, it's so nice and it works for everything. A lot of people have been asking me about it, whether I like it or not, and so I just felt like I needed to kind of clarify that because I've been using it in every single video. So I'm just taking a little bit and putting it in the lid, and I'm going to set my whole face with that. Then I'm going to take the Bahama Mama bronzer. By the way, all the products that I'm using today are in my actual makeup bag that I use like every single day when I'm just doing like a quick go-to makeup look. So I guess you could call these my current favorites right now. Okay, and then for blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this is in the shade Exposed. And I've said this before, but I just really like this blush in particular because it's pretty subtle, and so I have to like really build up the color, which is nice for me because sometimes I go overboard with the blush, and it's kind of hard to go overboard with this blush in particular. Alright, and then for highlight, I'm going in with the Ofra highlighting powder, and this is in Glazed Donut. This is the collaboration highlighter with Nikki Tutorials. As you can see, I've just been using the crap out of it. I will put this on even if I don't have any makeup on. Oh shit. Too much. I will put this on even if I don't have any makeup on. I just feel like This highlight in particular just makes my skin look so good and like healthy and glowy. Okay, then I'm gonna spray my face really quick with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, then moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrow hairs upwards. Because my eyebrows are microbladed, I just like to have my actual brow hairs set in place. And I've really been liking the fluffy look where all the brow hairs are going upwards. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm taking the Aspen Ovard Tarte Collaboration Palette. And I'm first gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Heart of Gold. And I'm gonna mix it together with this highlighting shade called Pure Soul. And I'm gonna put that right on my lid. And then taking a fluffy crease brush. This one is just from Iconic London. And taking this matte pink shade called High School Sweetheart. I'm going to brush that into the crease, blending that shimmer shade up into the crease a little bit. And then taking that color on the lower lash line just a little bit. Then taking Pure Soul again on like a flat shader brush. I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. And then to add a little bit more sparkle, I'm taking this Nabla Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Ethereal. I'm just gonna put some of that on the back of my hand, rub it onto my finger, and then just go ahead and apply that onto the lid with the finger. Then I'm going to add some mascara. I'm taking the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and this came with the Fairy collection, the Fairy Dust collection. It's so cute, it has a little charm on it. Just a tad extra, but that's okay. Okay, and then for lips, I'm gonna be taking this Awake Vitamin C Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Nude. It's not really nude if you ask me, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lips to add some color. Okay guys, that is it for this makeup look. This is my quick, dewy, summertime, glowy, summer, glowy makeup look. Yeah, really nothing special about it. I just kind of wanted to create let's get her going makeup look, if you know what I mean. Just something that doesn't have a lot on the face because I'm already sweating and I've been sweating all day and I don't want a lot of stuff on my face, but I also want to look presentable, if you know what I mean. Okay everyone, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.